right now with Wayne. Where are you from, Wayne?
I'm from Cupar.
Cupar. And what do you do out Cupar?
I'm self-employed. I'm in construction.
Okay. And what brings you to us today?
I originally planned to come here for my 5-year anniversary.
Okay.
But we got cancelled, and now we're here today.
And today, it's going to be a very special day today, isn't it?
Very special day.
Can't wait to see what the surprise is. So we're walking out to the plane. The plane is out there, the blue one, where Pablo is right now. We'll be doing the climb out right away. Here we are in the plane. I'm going to open the door, I'm going to get my foot out, then I'm going to tell you to get your feet out. You need to get your feet from inside the plane to out on the step. How that's done is you lean back a little bit, lift your feet as high as possible, one at a time, in this area, and put it on the step. Give it a shot. Okay, good. Gotta remember I'm behind you, so you won't be able to lay back all the way. It's gonna be quite challenging. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cross your arms across your chest. You're gonna put your head back. You're gonna take a breath. Ready, set, and away we go, and we're gonna roll out of the plane. So come on out. Okay, so we're now out of the plane. Your arms are still crossed. Once we're stable, I'm going to tap you on the shoulders. That's your cue to bring your arms out and let them fly. Enjoy the ride. And last thing, most important thing, is landing. I need to be able to land first, because you're taller than I am, and you're going to be hanging lower than I am. So when I say feet up, you're going to lift your feet up as far as you can in front of you, as high as you can. Give it a shot. Excellent. Won't be a problem for you. Any questions? Words of wisdom? Excellent.
Unfortunately, sometimes you hurt the ones you are so close to. Unwillingly doing the things you know you're not supposed to. No, no, no. I don't know. When you got love, love, love all around you, but no affection, no. This time apart will make us both appreciate all good things will come, those who will wait. Things are far too hard to comprehend. Why must all good things come to an end? They come to an end. Message, I got the message from love. Don't you left me on the bathroom wall. Said I love you, but I had to leave you. Now I'm left here with nothing. Yeah, I'm feeling so small. I could have sworn you had the time to sit and wait for me, but you took the wrong way. So it burns to me. This time apart will make us both appreciate.
Oh, what a wild ride. down. Woo! Oh my God. Wasn't that the most exciting thing ever? Good
No
job.
precautions, you dropped your guard and you